If you're looking for inspiration for your new construction, then the Riley floor plan has it all. Can't wait to show you the new kitchen, the flooring, the tile. Wait till you see the bathroom. I'm Steph Saunders with Key Team at Compass, and you found Footings to Finished. Let's check in on lot 10. This beauty is really coming along. Wait till you see inside. Entering in from the front door, you're gonna have your office space. It's gonna have beautiful glass French doors. And then this is the white oak upgraded flooring. It's a little bit wider than the red oak. We've got a half bath here, and of course opening up into this incredible family room with a walkout porch. We've got the fireplace. I love what they did with this stone surround. And then swinging around to this incredible kitchen. Let's get a closer look. Kitchen cabinets are being installed. These are the Cabico cabinets. So these are an upgraded cabinet than the other brand that we do offer. You're gonna have a great big workspace here. This island is huge. And then I know we have a lot of boxes in the way, but this actually heads into a butler's pantry that they specifically put in to get snacks ready for their kids. Isn't that a great idea? The eat-in kitchen has so much beautiful light. You're surrounded by trees. And this mudroom, remember we've been watching this since the construction. This huge mudroom for everybody's clothes. And that's gonna go into the 3-car garage. So you'll walk into the mudroom, into your eat-in kitchen, your beautiful kitchen, and then your family room. Let's check out upstairs. The stairs are a hardwood upgrade, and they decided to do the hardwood in the hallway here, and they're gonna keep the bedrooms carpeting. Here we have double doors into the primary suite, has the beautiful tray ceiling, massive amount of space, and then we walk into this bathroom. I'm geeking out over this bathroom. Look at these tiles. I love the blue cabinets with the brushed brass. They're gonna have a freestanding tub here, and check out the shower. Beautiful tile all the way around. A little place to put your things. Tile, so stunning. With the window, storage space, a little toilet room here, and then that huge walk-in closet. We've been taking a look at this since we started building. Take another look at this bathroom, his and her sinks, and then of course walking into that huge primary. One of the bedrooms here, we're gonna have a kid's bedroom here, and then 2 of the bedrooms are attached to a Jack and Jill bathroom. So again, we'll have double sinks. In here will be the tub insert, tile floors, and then you'll be able to get into the other kid's bedroom. All the paint is in really pretty neutral colors. This is a really pretty soft blue-gray. Stop off at the laundry room. Don't have electricity yet, but stunning tile floors. Moving down the hallway, we have the 4th bedroom. This bedroom has plenty of space. Also has an ensuite bathroom here and a walk-in closet. Are you loving this new construction content and this bathroom? Then don't forget to like this channel, subscribe to this channel, leave a comment, share it with a friend, and smash that red button so you always know when I post new content. I'm Steph Saunders with Key Team at Compass, and I'll see you next week for another episode of Footings to Finished.